Over 100 billion garments are produced globally each year, yet only 1% are recycled in a closed loop. The vicious cycle of overconsumption and inefficient recycling is driving resource depletion and environmental degradation. The key to breaking this cycle lies in precision sorting, the decisive step that determines whether discarded textiles can be reborn. Three core challenges currently hinder textile recycling. Mixed fibers. Blended materials are difficult to identify at a fine level, and manual sorting lacks accuracy. Contaminants. Buttons, zippers, sequins, embroidery, and sleeves compromise the purity of recycled fibers. Low manual efficiency. Each worker can process only 300-500 garments per day, far below industrial requirements. Data Beyond tackles these challenges with four core technologies, powered by an advanced fusion of AI and hyperspectral imaging. From intact garments to shredded fabric, we deliver precise, high-value sorting for circular textile processing. Garment material sorting identifies and classifies garments by material composition. For example, separating garments with over 90% polyester or over 90% cotton content. Garment style sorting sorts garments by design and attributes. For example, sort out yellow, round neck, men's, 100% cotton, long-sleeved coats, grade A quality. Fabric scrap sorting sorts offcuts and shredded fabrics by material type and color for better reuse. Impurity removal. Remove impurities such as sleeves, sequins, zippers, embroidery, buttons, etc. Data Beyond, driving the textile recycling industry toward intelligent, high-value utilization, reducing environmental scars and adding a badge of circular innovation to our planet.